calendar unboxing from Dr. Teal's. It's the 12 Days of Wellness calendar. So I'm just going to be opening this little guy up and showing you what's all inside in case you want to purchase it. I was sent this free from Home Tester Club, so I got it absolutely free. I don't know the retail value, but I will put it in the description box if you're interested. So if you want to see what's inside this little calendar, then go ahead and see to it. I'm gonna jump right on in. So door number one. Let's see. This is my first time doing any advent calendars. So for the first door, we have a Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution. It's with eucalyptus and spearmint. And it looks like that. This is a pretty good size. So it's just a little soaking salt from them. And that's door number one. So door number two, they're all in order. So literally right next to each other. I wish it was like kind of mixed up where you have to like kind of turn, but whatever. So we have a body lotion in soothing lavender, and this is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. So this is a smaller size. I think most of these are going to be like trial size items. And it smells good. It smells like, I don't know, it smells kind of like minty to me for some reason. I don't know, but it feels good. So door number three, that's right here. And looks like another lotion type situation. Oh no, the lies I tell. This is a moisturizing hand soap in the lavender essential oil as well. So door number four we have a foaming bath, calm and serenity with rose essential oil. This is like a bath foam or something like that, I guess. I'm gonna break a nail trying to open it, but yeah, it's a foaming bath. So you just pop that in the bathtub. And door number five. What is this? A body wash. So I don't think I've ever used anything from Dr. Teal's except for their little bath salts. So this will be my first time trying like anything else. So this is a body wash with vitamin C and citrus essential oils. And that's what it looks like. And this is 3 ounces. All of these are 3 ounces, and these are both 1 ounce products, in case you wanted to know. So door number 6 is, let's see, a face mask. So I don't do face masks personally, but it's cute. It just says quiet. You put that over your face to help you sleep. I get claustrophobic, so I can't do those. So door number 7. Let's see. Oh my God. Girl. Door number 7 is not trying to come out at all. It's a foaming bath, So door number 7 is a clarify and smooth with witch hazel, aloe vera, and essential oils. And it's just another foaming bath product. So door number 8 is a little bigger. And it is a melatonin sleep soak with essential oil blend. It's another bath salt. This is a nice amount of products in here to help you fall asleep. I could use this because I haven't found it. So, door number 9, we have another body wash. And this is in one of my favorite scents. I like coconut scents. Okay, so door number 9 is the coconut oil to nourish and protect skin body wash. So we have another body wash. Listen, it's gonna be good with all the bath products. So there, door number 10, we have a hand soap, another hand soap in eucalyptus and spearmint. And that's what that looks like. And door number 11, I think it's another, if I had to guess, I would think it's another body wash, maybe. I think. The lies I tell. Door number 11 is, this is so funny. This is a pumice stone. So you can use this to exfoliate your feet or any rough skin you may have. So that is what it looks like. Door number 11. Okay, I'm laughing because y'all, I need a pedicure so bad, like so bad. So that came right on time. And door number 12, I don't know, this might be, I don't know, I really like this one. Door number 12 is a moisturizing bath and body oil. And this is in lavender and essential oils. It has jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, which is my favorite, and aloe vera. And it's just 1 ounce, but that's pretty good for oil. You don't need that much. I have to smell this one though. Let's see. It's real light, really, really light. All of their products have like minty scents, in my opinion. But that is everything. So you get the 12-piece set from Dr. Teal's. It's called the 12 Days of Wellness, and it's a limited edition, a collection of aromatherapy surprises. And I think on the back or somewhere on here, it probably tells you, yeah, everything you're getting, like all the ingredients and everything. So cheat sheet, you can actually look here. It'll tell you all of the products you're getting with the list of all of the ingredients and how to use them and everything. So that was my unboxing of the Dr. Teal's 12 Days of Wellness. As always, thank you for watching. Before you leave, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out to know that you guys like these types of videos, and I will get more out. So yeah, until next time, thank you for watching. Bye, dolls.